Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been fortunate enough to acquire this beautiful Suzuki Vitara 1.6 SZ5 manual car, finished in Galactic Grey Metallics, 2 owners from new. Done around 43,000 miles. We'll confirm mileage in a minute. It's MOT through till January 2024. It's a very high spec vehicle. This top of the range, the SZ5, came in 2- and 4-wheel drive versions. This is a 2-wheel drive. Features keyless entry, privacy glass, polished alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, enormous load area here, 60/40 split rear seat system, unmarked on the interior plastic trims, which is always a good sign. Load area cover. It's a really great car in superb order. This car would have been through the workshop. It would have been serviced in accordance with Suzuki approved standards. We also carry out a full 101-point used car check, encapsulating everything. We check tyre tread depths, brake pad wear, brake disc wear, condition of the wipers, the vehicle's electrical systems, etc. We'll take any vehicle in part exchange at TW White & Sons. Will be as competitive as any of the online companies advertising on national television. We want your business and we want your part exchange. Beautiful black leather and Alcantara suede interior. That suede carries over onto the door trims here. You've got electric windows all round, electric power folding door mirrors, one-touch electric window facility on the driver's side. Sitting inside this car, first of all, we come to a minor array of switches: engine stop start button, smart city brake support, traction control. A really great specification, top of the range car this is, and real value for money, but also beautifully finished, and it drives beautifully as well. Dip the clutch, press the engine stop start button. Obviously it's keyless entry, keyless start. Low on fuel, well that's yeah, we need to put some petrol into it, but confirming the miles, 43,791 miles. You've got an instant fuel economy gauge in front of you. There are other facets to that. I will come to that in a second. On the left hand side here, you've got tachometer, rev counter. Underneath that, temperature gauge. On the right hand side, fuel gauge, which, surprise surprise, is showing empty. Speedometer. 9 degrees Celsius outside. It's nearly quarter past, well, it's 12 minutes past 5. But a really nice car. I've just turned on the side lights to give us a better view of the multi-function steering wheel. On the left hand side, we have stereo controls with mute button. Underneath there, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. On the right hand side, we've got an intelligent radar cruise control system. So this car features an awful lot of features, or a lot of standard equipment that you wouldn't find in more expensive vehicles. In any case, auto lights and auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, and everything's concentrated on one stalk. So your rear wipers will be on this right hand side as well, all very convenient. So let's look at changing some of the facets of this display here. There's this button here, and I'll just show you the average fuel economy out of this car has been achieved at 45.4 mpg since it was last reset. You'll get more than that, you'll get less than that. It depends on how the car's driven, under what climatic conditions, temperature, etc., and over what distance. But there we have it. Average fuel economy 45.4. You can reset it, of course. Range, well, there's no fuel left in it, so it's going to show 0. Average speed 30 miles an hour. Blank screen. If I keep my finger on this button on the right hand side of the binnacle here, it goes into the vehicle's setup mode, and you can, any customer can play around with this and you know, tailor make the car to their own individual needs. Outside temperature, sensors, door locks, lights, you can go into all of those menus and adjust accordingly. So really fun thing to navigate one's way around. Climate control, air conditioning, it's automatic climate control, so you dial in the temperature. Okay, so it's 22.5, press automatic, it will direct the air and adjust the fan speeds according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. You can of course come off that automatic setting just by adjusting the fan or going into the mode setting here, but what a lot of people like to do is just dial in the temperature, hit automatic, does everything for you. Couldn't be better. But there are certain people like myself who like to adjust things manually, so you've got that option. USB plug-in, 12-volt power socketry, 5-speed gearbox, and you've got this marvelous touchscreen Suzuki system here. So if you look at this, everything's done by touchscreen. It features DAB, which is lovely, crystal clear sound, etc. 6 presets per waveband. If you go into this cog button here, you can adjust various sound settings, bass, treble, balance fader, equalizer presets, and speed dependent volume control, which adjusts the sound to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back to the home screen, satellite navigation, again touch screen. This is what the map looks like at nighttime setting. Just turn down this fan because it's interrupting us. And if you go into the cog setting here, again you can adjust the sub menus within the navigation system. So nav, new address, town or postcode, points of interest nearby, points of interest search, screen is there, home screen, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, add a device, smartphone connections you can add, and you can go into sub menus of all of this. It's simple, a great system. Reverse, you can see, sorry about the Vista behind us, but there we go. It's got a full-length electric panoramic sunroof, which if I just flick this, you can see, first of all, you get the blind go back. Look at that, seamless, beautifully engineered, it works. Electric sunroof goes all the way back, built-in deflector. Look at that. So a great spec. To summarise, you're getting DAB digital audio radio, satellite navigation, reverse camera, smartphone linkage, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. You're getting climate control, USB plug-in and 12-volt power socketry, 5-speed manual gearbox, which is a delight to drive, superb road holding, handling, braking capabilities from this Suzuki. Multifunction steering wheel, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, radar cruise, intelligent cruise control, auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, auto lights, fuel computer, various settings you can go into. This car has outstanding reliability. It's beautifully finished. I completely recommend one of these secondhand. Obviously I would. It's very reliable and it's going to be a car that will last years. Vitaras have done tremendously well. This car was registered 16th of November 15. It's 2 owners, full service history. Last service December 22 at 43,000 miles. So actually all we would have done to it is given it a thorough check over, which encapsulates 101 point used car check. And as said to you earlier, we will take any vehicle in part exchange at TW White & Sons. There it is, 2015 65 Suzuki Vitara 1.6 SZ5, top of the range, done 40,000 miles. 43,000 miles, in great condition. If you want to find out more about this vehicle, or indeed any of our used vehicles we have for sale, our showrooms are open 7 days a week. Please go onto our website, which is www.twwhite.co.uk. twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.